Heart disease is a common and serious condition that affects millions of people around the world. We will discuss what heart disease is, its causes, common symptoms, and available treatment options. Heart disease, also known as cardiovascular disease, refers to a group of conditions that affect the heart and blood vessels. It can refer to a range of conditions including coronary artery disease, heart failure, and arrhythmias, amongst others. Heart disease can cause serious complications and is responsible for many deaths worldwide. There are several factors that can increase the risk of developing heart disease. Some of them include high blood pressure, high cholesterol, smoking, obesity, diabetes, and a family history of heart disease. These risk factors can cause damage to the inner lining of arteries, making it easier for plaque to build up and cause blockages. The symptoms of heart disease can vary depending on the type of condition. However, some common symptoms of heart disease include chest pain or discomfort, shortness of breath, fatigue, dizziness, and a rapid or irregular heartbeat. It's important to note that some people with heart disease may not experience any symptoms, which is why regular checkups with a doctor are crucial for early detection and treatment. There are several treatment options available for heart disease depending on the type and severity of the condition. Some of these treatments include lifestyle changes such as diet, exercise, medication, and medical procedures such as angioplasty and bypass surgery. It's important to work with a healthcare provider to determine the best treatment plan for your specific condition. While some risk factors such as family history cannot be changed, there are several lifestyle changes that can help to prevent the development of heart disease. Some of them include maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, not smoking, and managing stress levels. By making these changes, you can reduce your risk of developing heart disease and improve your overall heart health. To conclude, heart disease is a serious condition that affects millions of people worldwide. By understanding its causes, symptoms, and treatment, you can take steps to manage your condition and improve your overall heart health. If you are experiencing any symptoms of heart disease, it's important to seek medical attention as soon as possible. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to heart disease, so make sure to take care of your heart by adopting a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to support the channel by subscribing and checking out the playlists you can see on your screen right now. Until next time, bye for now.